Hi guys, it's Friday and this is Mr. Smith, and you know what that means. What does that mean again? Oh yeah, it means it's time for another Minecraft math lesson. So here we go. So we're going to do a couple of things today. So we've been practicing counting money and counting patterns. So what I thought we could do, we could see how rich Mr. Smith is in the game of Minecraft. So Mr. Smith isn't rich in real life, don't worry. So that wouldn't be a math problem that would take very long. Anyways, just kidding. Not about the not being rich thing, but anyways. All right, so we are going to we're gonna do what we have first. Then we're gonna do something else. So so let's take a look at what we have. Give me a second. I'm gonna arrange things a little bit so that we can use our counting patterns to count diamonds and to count iron. Alright guys, so I have things set up, but I just figured out it's nighttime, so I have to sleep or else that guy's gonna come try and eat my brains. He'd probably end the day hungry, right? Haha. I'm just kidding. Oh, did that close? Okay, that closed. Alright, so we're gonna sleep. And then we're gonna do some counting by fives and counting by tens, and then I have something else we're gonna do. Alright, so go down the ladder. That's always tricky. Alright, anyways. So any bad guys gonna blow me up? I don't want any creepers blowing me up. They like to sneak up on you. That's why they're called creepers. Alright. He's okay. He's gone. Oh, it's a little campfire. I like the campfires. Anyways, alright, so if you look, I have my diamonds in groups of 5 and my iron in groups of 10. Sometimes I say silver, but it's actually iron. It's not silver. I almost said silver before. Anyways, so this is the screen where we're going to do our counting. So I'm going to leave this like this. Mr. Smith is going to pause the video, and you guys are going to count how many diamonds Mr. Smith has in his inventory right now by counting by 5s. Okay? So, ready, go. Alright guys, so I don't know what you got, but let's find out how many diamonds we have by counting by 5. So, let's see. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. So we have 45 diamonds. Alright. Now, there's something else we can do with this. So, sometimes we do something called multiplication, right? So, we can say that 5, if it's split into this many groups, is 45. So, how many groups is it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So, if we were to make a multiplication problem out of this, we could say that 5 times 9 groups equals 45. So let's see if we're correct. Yes, we are. Look at that. It's 45. Good job. You guys are awesome. All right. So now we have the iron. So we're going to count by tens. So you ready? All right. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. So this is 60 pieces of iron. So you could also, if we were going to talk about multiplication, we could also say that 10 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 equals 60. Okay? So let's see if we're correct. We are correct. Okay. So guys, the other thing you could say is, so there's another math problem you could make out of that. So you have this 45. We had 9 groups. So you could say 9 divided by, or no, I'm sorry, not 9. 45 divided by 9, if we split it equally into 9 groups, it equals 5, because each group has 5 in it, right? And if we take 60 and divide it by 6 groups, the answer is 10. So 60 divided by 6 is 10. Okay, guys, so that was the first thing we were going to do. So you guys did awesome, I'm sure. So now we're going to go. It's been a while, I noticed, since I harvested my wheat over here. So we're going to harvest some of this wheat. I know. You like when I go by the animals that make a lot of noise, don't you? Hi. Hi, cows. We can count the cows, but they get all bunched together and it's hard to count them. Here's the chickens. Oh, there's lots of eggs in there. We have enough eggs, though, don't we, guys? Yes, we do. So I'm going to move one of something here so that we can... Oh, it always works the wrong way. So we're going to move the seeds there. So we're just going to harvest all this wheat, and then we're going to do a math problem to figure out how much wheat we got. So I hope you guys are having a good beginning of the year. I am. I am loving being in school again and working hard and working with you guys. You guys are doing a great job. I'm always so proud of you. I think I've told our staff so many times, don't we have the best class? And I think we do have the best class. You guys are awesome. So anyways, harvesting some chickens. Will you be quiet? The chickens are not going to be quiet. Remember when I had the chickens in the little hole in the ground so I could gather eggs? That was so loud. We actually just watched that episode the other day, and I thought to myself, wow, what an annoying YouTuber I would be if I was still a YouTuber, because my videos, oh look, they love me. It's like I'm Elvis. It's actually because I have the seeds in my inventory. So, let's look. I hit the wrong button. So let's look. So we have two problems we can do. First, we have 64 seeds in this pile and 15 seeds in this pile. So from gathering seeds and then replanting, we ended up with this many more seeds. Okay? So we're gonna find the total. So guys, is that plus or minus? It would be a plus. Good job, guys. So we're gonna add 64 plus 15. So you're gonna do that now in class. Mr. Smith is gonna pause the video. All right, so hopefully you got the right answer. Now, we're gonna take this 47 wheat. I've always wondered, how much more seed do you get than wheat? So we need to find the difference between how much seeds we have and how much wheat we have. So whatever number you just got when you added these together, you're gonna subtract 47. So Mr. Smith is gonna pause the video and we'll do that together now as well. Okay guys, so you can see we ended up with lots more seed than we did wheat, but we still ended up with a good amount of wheat. You know what we can do with wheat? We can feed the cows. Let's go feed the cows. We got enough cows anyways, but who cares? Let's feed them. They like being fed just like we do, right? So anyways, guys, it's Friday. This is our first complete full week of school. It is the weirdest school year we've had. Well, last year was pretty weird, but this year is, I don't know, this year seems even weirder because we've got some kids at home, some kids at school, but you guys have been working hard this week and I appreciate all that you do. So that's loud, so we're gonna stop that. Anyways, we could use the week to feed some sheep too. I don't really have any sheep. I should gather some sheep too. They're good for wool. So anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed this quick Minecraft math lesson. We did some counting by 5s. We did some counting by 10s. We practiced. If you want to find the total of two numbers, what do? You have to add. If you want to find the difference, you need to subtract. We also talked a little bit about multiplication and division, if you remember. So anyways, this was a great week. I appreciate all the hard work. Everyone's doing a good job working from home or working at school. And so guys, enjoy your weekend. It's Labor Day weekend too, which is nice because we get a Monday off. Actually, Monday off is kind of a bummer because our Monday schedule is really, really easy. Anyways, that's okay. It's still nice not to work on Monday. Anyways, guys, have a great day. That's it for me. Bye.